guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to show the formula bar in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have an example that shows no formula bar within the spreadsheet. As you can see, on the top of our screen, the place where the formula bar should be in is no longer to be found. And whenever we try to check cells that should contain a formula, we can't check so since we don't have a formula bar. Even the cells with ordinary values can't be seen through the formula bar. That is why this is what we have to do. First, go to the View tab on the top of the screen. Next, go to the Show group and check on the formula bar checkbox. It's quite easy, as you can see. Now, we should be able to check the values of our cells and confirm whether it contains a formula or not. To remove the formula bar again, all we have to do is uncheck the box for the formula bar. And there we go. We just did it within 2 clicks again. Now, originally, the formula bar should be open in default. It could have been turned off. Either somebody used it before you, or you accidentally pressed the formula bar checkbox. Either way, now that you know how to turn it on or off, you should be able to not have any problems the next time you use Excel. And there we have it. This is how we show the formula bar in Microsoft Excel.